Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. Mana textbook impulse here, wave 1 back in November, you know, the metaverse hype. That was Mana's wave 1, and it has since come down in an ABC pattern in a zigzag correction here in a wave 2 based on the elliott wave method, and it has come perfectly into the target area here between the 88.7% FIB level and the 78.6, and regular viewers of this channel will know that this is an ideal target level to get into in a wave 2. Nothing unusual, nothing that only cryptos do, because at the moment I read in the headlines everywhere that crypto is crashing, but they forgot that all markets are basically coming down, and that tech stocks and shares, especially young ones, also look exactly like, for example, Mana does. You know, it is just what markets do. Markets always move in the same waves, and I hope sincerely that people who watch this channel know that, yeah, because there are people out there who say markets move completely random and everything is all manipulated. No, those patterns always repeat themselves, otherwise you would not see those patterns everywhere. 5 wave moves up, 3 wave moves down, always hitting those FIB levels, and it is just what it is. You know, I can't change it. It's just reality. Okay, where are we here? So I told you in the last video that Mana, compared to many other cryptos, actually looks quite good. First of all, this overall correction, textbook-like. I really like it. I like the chart, how it looks like. It is holding quite firm, quite strong in this target area here. It has not moved below the 88.7% FIB level. That would be at 67 cents. Many cryptos have done that. We still have a lot of space to really get down to that level, and however, a lot of other cryptos have done that. Yeah, and this is not a great, not great to get into that level, into that 88.7 or below. Yeah, hit it is fine. To hit the 88.7 is fine, but to go below it and maybe stay there for a while isn't great. But what I really wanted to point out here, from all cryptos that I cover, this is the best structure for a breakout. Yeah, you can see, I mean, there is no confirmation this is the breakout, but you can just see how impulsive this move up was and how corrective this move down was. Yeah, which is great, because the next wave up would then be an impulse. And if we just compare that to, you know, Bitcoin, I mean, completely different. Yeah, look at that. Look, it's the opposite. You move up corrective and you move down impulsive. Whereas Mana, now I unfortunately closed the chart, Mana moved up impulsive and comes down corrective. And I hope this difference becomes clear. Now, what that means is, and this is in no way guaranteed yet. Yeah, I would not confirm that the low is in, but I tell you that Mana has a good chance, at least, that it is in already, and this could become a breakout pattern. Now, we won't really know until, well, first of all, it would break above $1.13. That is this wave high here. Even better above the 136 level, and then we can start to move up and consider this a breakout. At the moment, all we have is here a first impulse, which is great, which is currently being corrected. And this is exactly what I tell you is what we've been waiting for. We want to see 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and we can count this as an impulse. We can certainly count this as an impulse. Let me see. The only bit of a headache I have is that I still expect lower lows for Bitcoin, which and then there's probably various ways how to count this, but you get a wave one from here, 5 wave move. The only headache I have, I still expect lower lows for Bitcoin. So what happens with Mana if Bitcoin does that? So it is not guaranteed yet, as long as we don't see that broader recovery in the crypto market here, A, B, C, yeah, and this could then be overall from a bigger picture point of view. All of this here was then the first impulse was a wave 1, because a wave 1 is an impulsive wave. We're then coming down in a wave 2, which is a corrective wave consisting of A, B, C. We're then moving up in a wave 3. We come down in wave 4 and we move up in a wave. We come down in wave 4 and move up in a wave 5. And we can also calculate already the target for that wave 3, and that would go to at least $1.96. So let's call it $2. Yeah, this would be the wave 3 here in yellow. But to do that, we would need to get above those levels that I just showed you, and also just see a bit of more aggressive price action now. But certainly Mana here looking decent. Yeah, looking decent. And this is, this orange target area anyway. It is the target area where with the highest likelihood you would expect a turn around. Now, should we go below the previous swing low at 60 cents here, that is from the 12th of May, then we will go a bit deeper, a bit lower, and that wouldn't be great for Mana, because it would at the same time break below the 50%, the 88.7% FIB level. The level I would expect next, should we really go below 60 cents, I think then we go down to 41, or around about 40 cents, that previous swing low here from June 2021. And that is my view about Mana. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.